Sports Stat students, this is going to be a very brief video of the lesson that I did going over how to download data from a sports database, but we're interested in a CSV file, okay? So we're doing this for the NASCAR data. So if I click on the sports databases that are on here, I will click on the NASCAR one. That's what the assignment's over. Open that up. And then we need to pick our driver, okay? So for one of my classes, we did Kyle Busch, so I'll do Kyle Busch again. And we want to take this data down here. You have the results by track. That's the one that we want, okay? Results by track. And we're gonna go through the process of turning this into a nice Excel sheet, okay? A comma separated value file. So here are the steps to do this. First thing we need to do is we need to open Word, okay? So we're gonna open a brand new blank document, Microsoft Word. Okay, I'll make that full screen. So we'll save that for a moment, okay? And we'll just put that in the background. Let's go back to our browser. I'm back in my browser, and what we're going to do is we're going to highlight all the headers up here. We're going to scroll all the way down until we get to the final race, highlighting all of the information we want. So all of this is now highlighted, and we're going to copy it. So you can either right click and hit copy to copy the text, or you can just hit Control C, whichever one you want to do. And we're going to paste that into Microsoft Word. Now, if you just paste it, it's going to keep all the formatting, and we don't want this formatting at all, okay? We want to get rid of that formatting. Because we right click and we do this third option that says keep text only. We're pasting it without formatting, and that's what we want. And so we just want to see the data that looks like this in here, okay? The next thing we want to do, this is a comma separated value trying to create. As I'm looking through this data here, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking these spaces here and getting rid of them. Now, I know this is an added step that we didn't go over in class, but this comma right here is going to cause a problem. So I'm going to go through and actually look for any commas that I have and get rid of them. I want those to be just whole numbers. So I think I got all of them out of the way. All right. How we get rid of these spaces in here? I want to just highlight in between. It doesn't matter where, I can do anywhere I want, but we highlight between the space. We're going to hit copy that space. Top right of Word, you see the replace button. Replace. This is your find and replace feature. So what are we going to find? Well, we want to find all the spaces that look like the one that I just copied, paste it in there. So you'll notice that if I hit Control V, it's going to shift over, and then I want to replace all those with a comma. So I'm going to hit replace. After I do that, I'm going to hit replace all, and it made all of these replacements for us. Okay, they are. All these values are now replaced with numbers. I think I missed this comma. No. I think I missed that one there. So, okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is hold on. I'm gonna